Ant-Man and the Wasp after credits Hawkeye cameo. End credit scenes revealed. Ant-Man and the Wasp is out today in the US and has unmissable after credits scenes. Will the missing Hawkeye finally show up in the movie or the end credits? The littlest hero is about to pack a whopping punch. Ant-Man 2 is one of only 2 Marvel movies, alongside Captain Marvel, which bridge Avengers Infinity War and Avengers 4. Ant-Man was also one of the only major heroes missing from Avengers 3, along with Hawkeye. Will Scott Lang and Clint Barton cross paths in the new movie, and what exactly is in those hyped-up end credits scenes? Infinity War explained that both heroes were under house arrest following their rebellion in Civil War. Early artwork has shown Hawk suited up for battle in Avengers 4 alongside Captain Marvel, Hulk, Captain America and also Ant-Man, but will we see him first here? All the early reactions to preview screenings highlighted the teaser that there are 2 post-credit scenes and one of them is unmissable. One writer said it was the only thing I can think about. Avengers official artwork proves Thanos time-traveled. We know what is in both scenes, and unfortunately they do not include any cheeky cameos from other Marvel characters. Ant-Man director Peyton Reed explained, "I always envisioned this as a standalone movie. Obviously when you see the movie you'll see how it ties into the larger universe, but I like that Hope and Scott and Hank are operating in this little corner of the universe. And I like that because it reminds me of the Marvel comics where you have the Avengers doing something here, and Spider-Man is doing something, and Black Panther is doing something, and Iron Man, they've got their own thing, and this felt like we had enough characters to service in this movie." It is too early to reveal any spoilers just yet, but we can reveal that the important end credit scene is a powerful and direct link to Infinity War and what comes next in Avengers 4. The other scene is an amusing humorous moment that has already been shown in some advance promotional releases online. Ant-Man and the Wasp is out now in the US and on August 3 in the UK.